Hello everyone and welcome again to Saxo's Macro Insights channel. I'm Charu, a market strategist with Saxo Singapore, and today I'm here with you to share a very important investment theme in light of the upcoming International Women's Day on March 8th. What we are talking about today is gender lens investing. It's really an important discussion to be had given that the world of investing still remains heavily male dominated despite a growing focus on equality over the last few years. So what is gender lens investing? We have often talked about thematic investing, so getting exposure to a structural trend in the global economy. Say you want to be exposed to a theme on inflation, so how can you really align your portfolio to that? Or say a theme on China's reopening. Saxo has equity theme baskets for many such themes on its platforms to help you get some inspiration on stocks to consider if you are interested to get some exposure to a particular theme in the markets. So likewise, gender lens investing is a strategy which puts weight on gender-based considerations in your investment decisions. So you can in some way contribute towards efforts to close the gender gap. So your decisions are based on investment analysis done with a gender lens or a lens to take a look more broadly at the equality aspect. There are mainly three considerations to make if you're keen on this strategy. Investing in women-owned or women-led enterprises, investing in organizations that promote workplace equality, say in staffing, in management, in boardroom representations, in value chains, however, or investing in businesses that offer products or services that can substantially improve the lives and the economic prospects for women and for girls. These considerations here actually also make a lot of financial sense. There is a growing evidence in the literature that companies with more female executives in decision-making positions continue to generate stronger market returns and superior profits. What really changes the game is that women's representation in leadership ensures a more diverse set of views and experiences when making decisions, which opens up a whole new world of possibilities for these companies that have more balanced leaderships compared to their competitors that remain extremely male-dominated. Research has also found that women entrepreneurs tend to do better than their male counterparts in terms of profitability. One study actually found that women-owned startups generate twice as much revenue per dollar as startups led by men. And yet, women-owned and led businesses are chronically underinvested in, with female CEOs raising just over 2% of venture capital in 2018. So a lot of financial potential here as well. And if you look at the third consideration too, there is a whole lot of underinvestment currently in products and services for the females. Consider their health needs or personal banking needs. Everything really lags the investments going in male-oriented businesses considerably. So this is not a social movement, although I must say that you will be making a huge social impact if you invest with a gender lens. But financially also, this strategy does make a whole lot of sense. The ultimate success of the gender impact investing community will likely be to achieve a greater percentage of women contributing to global GDP. So let's get to how we can use this strategy. You could do that through some ETFs such as SHE or WOMN. I've listed the tickers here on the slide. The SHE ETF offers exposure to US companies that demonstrate greater gender diversity within senior leadership than other firms in their sector. The Women ETF, the second one there, it tracks the Morningstar Women's Empowerment Index, which is designed to provide exposure to companies worldwide with strong policies and practices in support of women's empowerment and gender equality. But in addition to that, at Saxo, we have also especially put together an equity theme basket, which is called Women in Leadership. We have just revisited this theme last week, and the latest set of 20 companies are included here. These companies primarily are the leaders in female representation on their executive committees. This basket has a bigger European focus, but also consider the fact that Nordic region is leading the transformation towards a higher share of female executives. But it still offers you a choice of companies listed across North America, Europe, Singapore, Australia, Japan, Hong Kong, or New Zealand. Here is just a quick snapshot of the performance of our Women in Leadership basket, which has outperformed the MSCI World since 2016. But of course, there is some selection bias at play here as well, or whenever we create any of our equity theme baskets, because we select the stocks with the highest market cap. So past performance cannot be an indicator of future performance. But if you are interested in exploring this theme further, you can find these ETFs or Saxo's Women in Leadership equity theme basket on our platform, and you can click through it directly to trade in any of the stocks listed within the basket. I'll sign off here with the best wishes to all of you women out there for International Women's Day 2023, but also to all those others who believe in, support, and empower women. Thank you for listening, and stay tuned for more such investing insights from us here at Saxo.